Virendra Sehwag has a certain average for 9 innings. In the 10th inning, he scores 100 runs, thereby increasing his average by 8 runs. His new average is. Now, the general formula for average is total of all quantities upon number of quantities. So we can write it down as average is equal to total upon quantity. Now, in terms of cricket, we can say that total runs scored upon number of innings played. So that will be the concept of average in terms of cricket for runs. So now we don't know the previous average for Virendra Sehwag. Let's assume it to be X. Now the total runs scored by him, we don't know that as well. So let's assume it as total. And he has played 9 innings. So from this, we can say that he has scored a total of 9x runs in 9 innings. Now, in the 10th inning, he scores 100 runs, thereby increasing his average by 8 runs. So, initially his average was x. Now, the average has increased by 8. So, x plus 8. Now, the number of innings he has played becomes 10. Now, initially the total runs scored by Sehwag was 9x. In the 10th inning, he has scored 100 runs. So the equation becomes like this: x plus 8 is equal to 9x plus 100 upon 10. If you cross multiply, it becomes 10x plus 80 is equal to 9x plus 100. From this, we can get x is equal to 20. Now, this is his initial average after 9 innings. We want the new average. The new average is x plus 8. Therefore, the answer becomes 20 plus 8, that is 28.